Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to draw a fixed range volume profile in TradingView. Okay, so if you click on the indicator and then click on and type fixed range volume profile, so you will find that this feature will be only available for paid users. Okay, but you can use the extended in a sidebar. Once you click on a sidebar and here in a volume based sections, you will find this tool as your start tool. If you not star it, you can simply tap the button to star it because here you can use this extension. After that, once you tap on it, here you will see the fixed range volume profile will be added. Now you can extend your chart and then draw the fixed range volume, okay, from the start date to the end date. And now here you will see the fixed date volume profile will be added. Same as you can do for the another day's chart or for today. Simple tap on the tool, click on one line and the another line, okay, like this. And then this tool will grab all the ups and down in your chart. Okay, after that it will not extend because in paid version it will automatically extend to the right version. Don't worry, we have also an alternative for it. You can simple click on it and then click on settings and now simple enable this option extend right. Now it will automatically extend to the right according to the time changed and the chart moves. Okay, make sure that this feature will be enabled and then click on OK. So here is how you can easily draw a fixed range volume profile in TradingView. Goodbye.